Alright, I'm replacing this air intake boot on my Lexus LS400. Just about got it off of here.
A few moments later.
Most of these clamps, 10 will fit on these clamps. I believe you can get it off without having to take that one off if you just kind of shimmy it off. Give me a second. I got it out here, I think. This one is messed up, so I would be normally much more careful. Whole thing is gonna come down here. So right here, mine is actually broke. This is not the one I just took off, it's the other one. The one I had on here, which I had for a few years, it was leaking air when I started the car, making it run rough. So putting this one back on here temporarily till a few days from now. I'm gonna get my other one. I'm not gonna drive it. Just trying to make it so I can move the car. And just gonna have it so I can move it. Gotta make sure you get this hose in there. Worse all this is wanting to fight me for some reason. Boy. A fun fact, after so long, I really need to replace that hose. But I haven't yet. Fighting with this makes you want to. This is for the power steering valve. I'm gonna put that. I'm not really thinking it's gonna cause a big issue. Main concern is just trying to get this to move easy. So until I get that other. Also gotta unplug there's their fuel sensor.